You need ankle straps for this exercise, and this is how you put them on. So you're going to pull the Velcro strap through that little metal piece, and then it's going to Velcro down, and then that's what the cable attaches to, is those two little metal half D-rings. So again, we're going to put it around our ankle, pull the Velcro through, and then Velcro it down. When you are attaching the cable to the ankle straps, you want to step over the cable with your free leg. That's going to allow you to kick your leg out, but slightly behind you, really working on the glute. So you can see that my outside leg with the cable attached is behind the other leg. Neither of your legs are really locked out. They both have a soft bend in it, but make sure that you pick a light enough weight that you're not really shifting your body left and right or swinging your upper body to get that leg back. You want to make sure that you're using just your main glute on that cable attached leg. You'll also notice that I am holding on to the cable machine to make sure that I am staying stable as I'm using mainly the glute to move. That way my upper body isn't swinging and adding any extra momentum.